St Teresa Girls SS n'ishomero lya gavumenti ahansi y'omusingi gw'ekikristu kandi rikatandikaho mu mwaka gwa 1982 obwo niryegyesa abaana b'abishiki bonka kuruga aha siniya y'okubanza kuhika aha siniya ya mukaaga. Bamwe mu beegi nibeegitira omu kibiina ekya Green Beauty Club ekigendereye kurinda ebyobuhangwa.
Ebijuma ebitukubyara biri nka avocado, emiyembe, amapeera, amapapali n'ebindi ebijuma bingi nitubibyara, so n'ebindi nosobola kubyebyara baitu nibakwegesa nk'oko kubyara mu Green Beauty Club.
District ya Kasese omu kyanga kya Rwenzori nemwe singira hamijera nk'ogwa Nyamwamba na Nyamugasani kandi abeegi nibagira ngu omu kurinda ebyobuhangwa nikiza kureetaho kukyendeza kukuboga kw'emijera egi.
We specialize in planting fruit trees, but still, even these trees can help in conserving the environment, and not only conserving the environment, but also can help curb the flooding of these rivers.
Neyambaho kukeshaho musana kandi nekituru nikikuyamba kuba ine omuti muzigati yawe, omuti ndigukuyamba nosa kuhumuraho obwire bwa nyamusana. Oba nekindi ebikora by'emiti zine zitukubyara mibazi habomezi bw'omuntu.
Abeegi nibashaba gavumenti kwerugayo ekateekaho ekiragiro ky'amaani hari abo boona abarikushishya ebyobuhangwa.
Or put a law strictly that trees should not be cut so that we can have our environment conserved.
They are going to be able to be all around our community, that's Takisinga town, and we are all going to be able to conserve our environment.
I'm mainly focusing on 5 fruit trees. That is avocado, jackfruit, custard apple, mangoes, and guavas.
James Trust Bwambare patron wa Kirabeegi nagira ngu bamazire no kutaho na Sarebedi aho barize kuba nibihamwe emiti yo kuhereza abatura baherira ishomereri.
And then as part of the distribution we are intending to have an awareness campaign about the importance of trees.
Ningira n'abana babesobororireho nibahurira muno nibesimera mu isomero lyabo habwokuba begere kikoto muno obhaizire enu club ya Green Beauty.
Aba nibajango kurinda ebyobuhangwa n'ekikuru okwegesibwa omu mashomero abeegi bakakorana bamanya omugasho hamwe n'akabi ko kucecereza ebyobuhangwa. Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.